Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, can you assign integer value to a variable which is declared with double data type in Java? Let me answer. Let's say in a Java program, we have declared a variable with double data type. To that particular variable which is declared with double data type, if you want to assign integer value, is it possible in Java or not? The answer is yes. We can assign an integer value to a variable in Java which is declared with double data type. Okay, here Java will implicitly or automatically convert that integer value to the double without giving any compiler error. No need to convert, guys. Okay, no need to convert. If you are assigning some integer value to a variable that is declared with double data type, integer value will be automatically converted to the double type. Okay, without your involvement. It will happen implicitly. Java compiler will take care of that. Okay. Automatic conversion will happen. Okay. So here, why that will happen? Okay. It will happen because the double data type size is bigger than integer value size. So the variable having a bigger size can accept. Okay. And integer is a number, double is a number, and it's a matter of size, guys. Double is bigger size than integer. That is the reason what happens is the value that is integer value that you assign to the variable declared with double data type will be automatically or internally or implicitly converted by Java with the help of its compiler without your need of manually converting it or typecasting it. Okay. So without getting any compiler error, this will happen in Java, guys. Let me practically demonstrate this for you. So for that, I'll switch to Eclipse IDE. Here I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class as class F. With main method I'll create. Okay. So here I'm going to create a variable and declare that variable with double data type. Double A is equal to 9 if I say. Here 9 is an integer value that I am assigning to the variable which is declared with double data type. Okay. 9 is an integer value that I'm assigning to a variable which is declared with double data type. You see I'm not getting any compiler error. Here Java compiler is automatically converting this integer value to the double type. Okay. Because the variable is of double data type. So automatical conversion or implicit conversion will happen. You don't have to manually typecast the integer value to double type. Okay. So it will happen automatically with the help of Java, guys. Java compiler will take care of that because integer value size is lesser than the double value size. Okay. So it will happen automatically and implicitly by Java. Now, if you want to print it out, what happens when you print it out is this integer value will get converted to the decimal value, that is double type value. And instead of 9, 9.0 will be printed in the output. It will be upcasted, guys. Okay. Upcasted. Instead of downcasting, it's upcasting, right? So it's upcasted. So 9.0 is printed. But if you try to do the reverse, for example, if I declare a variable with integer data type, and if you try to assign a decimal value to that, it will not be possible in Java. Okay. This is a double literal type that you want to assign to the variable declared with in data type. That is not possible in Java. Why? Because, okay, the size of the double is bigger than the size of the integer. Okay. So you cannot do that. Okay. If you have to do that, you have to manually typecast. Okay. You have to put int here and then manually typecast this. And if you say here, since you are downcasting it, the decimal value, in order to get converted to integer value, this 0.5 will be taken off. Okay. 0.5 will be taken off and 9 will be added. Okay. So you see, when I have run the code earlier, the value 9 got, upcasted to the decimal value, that is 9.0, and printed here. But now this 9.5 will get downcasted to 9. Okay. Normal 9, integer value 9. You see? So, but here it is not happening automatically, but here it is happening automatically because the size of this integer value is lower than the size of the double data type. Okay. But here the reverse is happening where double size literally is bigger the size of the integer data type. Okay. That's why we have to manually typecast. But in this case, manual typecasting is not required at all. Okay. So automatic upcasting or implicitly Java compiler will automatically convert this integer value to the double data type. Okay. Value. So hope guys, with practical demonstration, you got the answer for this question. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.